What's up, guys? I accidentally gave all my money away to Twitch streamers and now I'm homeless. And on top of that, UMG keeps taking all my revenue.
यार मैंने गलती से सभी पैसे ट्विच स्ट्रीमर्स को दे दिए और अब मैं बेघर हो गया हूँ और उसके अलावा UMG मेरी सारी कमाई ले जाता है।
Today I will show how to change video language from English to Hindi. First video is English, another is Hindi. I transferred language from English to Hindi. First of all, subscribe to my channel for more video. Open your browser and search dubverse.ai. Then click search icon. Click online video debugging with dubverse.ai. Tap Get Start for free. Before to take action, sign up to get coins. Click Get Debugging. To upload, tap on My Device. Choose your video you need. Click Choose Speakers. Choose your target language by click Target Language section. Then choose the speaker's male or female. Click Let's Dub. The process is ready. To see the transcript, click here. To see the project logs, click here. Let's play a video. To save in gallery, tap Download option. Choose MP4 and click Download. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share to family and friends.